Greetings, Benjamin J. from Ben's Trains with another in the series. Well, my motto is, of course, don't overlook the junk. This just arrived, and this was a Marx 999 with its original tin litho tender. I got this on eBay for $4.69, and I'm really curious to see what kind of condition this is in. You can't beat the price, less than $5. All right, let's see what we have here. The grand unboxing. This is always fun. Okay, there's the tender. There's the locomotive. All right. This stuff out of the way. All right, now let's look at the locomotive first. So $4.69. And it is in fair condition at best. It's not frozen, but it is complete. Front truck, rear truck, has the lens. The cab is bent, as you see. So, going to be interesting to see if this will run. I don't know if you can see this. Let me get this up to the camera here. This thing has been sitting very likely in a shed, it looks like. And it is just absolutely covered in dirt. Genuine dirt. You can see how rough this all is. $4.69. All right. Let's just set that there for now. And take a look at the tender. So, original tin litho, but you can't beat the price. Even if I want to use it for parts, you can't beat the price on either one of these things. And it is in fair condition at best. The weight is loose inside of it. There's a flat steel weight to weight these things down. And it is so dirty it doesn't even roll. So, it's going to be really interesting to see if we can possibly get this thing running. So first thing we're going to do is grab some alcohol and some oil and a toothbrush. So this is pure alcohol. And I'm going to spray this directly into the armature and turn the wheels. Get some of this junk off these brushes. All right, one of the springs is out of place. It looks like. Need a screwdriver. All right, make sure I'm still in frame here. Yep. All right. So the brush spring was out of place. All right. I'm going to put a couple of drops of oil on the bearing for the armature and a big drop of oil on the bearing on the output shaft. Boy, this thing is just absolutely filthy. All right, now I'm going to put a drop of oil on the contactor. Spread that out just a bit and scrape this oxide off of here. Just enough so we know it's getting some power from the track. Just exposing some fresh copper here. Now, this engine is in really poor condition. But, like I said, don't overlook the junk. Just because it's junk when you get it doesn't mean it's going to be junk when you're finished with it. All right, let me get a cloth. Wipe this contactor off. All right, it's ready to test. I'll put it on the third rail. Let me pull the locomotive off that's on there now. All right. the grand test. Will it run? Power is on. Get this stuff out of the way. Let's see what happens. It runs backwards. It runs forward. Can you believe that? $4.69. So, what I'm going to do is swap out that body with this one. And I think we're going to have a fairly decent locomotive. So let's take a close-up look at this thing. As you can see, this is in fairly poor condition. But in just the 2 seconds that it's been here, it is running. All right, let's see if it will pull a consist. And this thing is in just terrible condition, but it's running. That's the neat thing about it. $4.69. All right. See if we can get it on this consist. All right, wheels are on the rail. The grand test. Will it pull it? It will. So this thing's been here a grand total of 10 minutes. So it needs a thorough cleaning, but as you can see, it's going to run just fine. Also needs a headlight. Rather amazing. So $4.69 with its original tender. Now the tender is in just as bad a condition as the locomotive itself is. But a few minutes work, and if I can't straighten out this bent shell, then I will just swap it into this other 999 shell I have. But was it worth $4.69? You bet it was. Just the parts are worth more than that. So a Marx 999 and the original tin litho tender, less than perfect condition, $4.69, and it's running. I mean, you just can't beat that. And now it's just clean up, and I mean really cleaning up, genuine soap and water type cleanup to get the shell clean. Blow out the motor, get it lubed and tuned, and I guarantee you this is going to run absolutely perfectly. We know the E unit works. It also runs, and it was pulling 9 tin litho cars. So definitely worth the money. So again, I got to stress it. Don't overlook the junk. $4.69 on eBay, and it is up and running forward and backwards. So I'll pull this apart, get it cleaned up, get it lubed and tuned, replace that headlight, and I have another 999 at an absolute bargain price. So it needs a thorough cleaning, but it's running, no problem at all. So I just want to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.